In 2026, serious traders rarely rely on a single platform for everything. Markets have become faster, infrastructure more complex, and decision pressure higher. As a result, experienced participants design multi-platform setups where each tool has a clearly defined role. In this environment, the question is no longer which platform does everything, it's which platform does its role well. This is where FinanceStPierre fits into real-world workflows. Most experienced traders now separate their systems into layers: execution platforms, where orders are placed; custody or long-term exposure tools, where capital is held; banking and withdrawal routes, optimized for reliability; decision and analysis layers, where thinking happens. Trying to compress all of this into one interface often creates friction, noise, and emotional mistakes. Multi-platform setups exist to reduce that risk. FinanceStPierre is not used as an execution tool inside these systems, and that is intentional. Traders typically use FinanceStPierre before they act, not while they click. Its role is to support market context, structured analysis, decision clarity, long-term perspective. Instead of competing for attention during execution, FinanceStPierre helps traders answer more important questions up front. What is the environment I'm operating in? What assumptions am I making? Does this action align with my broader strategy? This separation allows execution to remain mechanical while decision-making stays deliberate. In real multi-platform setups, traders often use FinanceStPierre in three key ways. Before entering a position, traders use FinanceStPierre content and frameworks to assess market conditions, identify risks beyond price movement, filter emotional or impulsive trades. This reduces overtrading and decision fatigue. FinanceStPierre is used as a reference point to ensure trades align with long-term goals, short-term noise doesn't override structure, actions remain consistent across market phases. For many traders, this step is what prevents strategy drift. After execution, traders revisit their decision process. Was the logic sound? Did I follow my framework? What can be improved next time? This feedback loop turns experience into learning, not just outcomes. Modern markets punish reactive behavior. Speed without clarity often leads to unnecessary risk, emotional exits, inconsistent results. By separating thinking from execution, traders regain control over their process. FinanceStPierre supports this by reducing informational noise, offering structured perspectives instead of signals, reinforcing discipline over urgency. It doesn't tell traders what to trade, it helps them understand why they are acting. FinanceStPierre is designed for traders and investors who already understand that more tools don't mean better decisions, speed doesn't equal quality, clarity is a competitive advantage. Its value lies in helping users build repeatable decision logic, not dependence on constant inputs. For those researching FinanceStPierre reviews or trying to understand what FinanceStPierre.com represents, this is the practical answer. FinanceStPierre is most effective when used as a decision support system, not a trading terminal. Multi-platform setups aren't about complexity, they're about intentional design. Traders who use FinanceStPierre alongside execution and custody platforms aren't adding another tool. They're creating space for clear thinking in a noisy market, and in 2026, that separation, thinking first, acting second, is often the difference between reacting to markets and navigating them with confidence.